In this video, we're going to walk through how to add a discount to an invoice in Xero. This is a quick, simple process that will make your invoicing even more flexible, especially if you're offering deals or discounts to your clients. Now, adding a discount to an invoice in Xero is an essential skill for any business owner, especially if you want to provide customized pricing options to your customers. Whether you're offering a limited time deal or giving a discount to loyal clients, Xero has a smooth way of handling this. First, let's dive into it. You'll need to log into your Xero account. Once you're in, go to your business tab at the top and click on Invoices. If you're creating a new invoice, hit the New Invoice button. If you're adding a discount to an existing invoice, just open that invoice by clicking on it from the list. Next, let's get to the discount part. Now, Xero doesn't have a direct discount field right in the line item section, but don't worry, there's a workaround. In the item or description field, you can create a line for your discount. You can enter a description like 10% discount or seasonal offer, whatever fits the context of your discount. Once you've added that, you'll want to make sure the discount value is calculated correctly. To do that, you just subtract the amount of the discount directly from the invoice total. For example, if you're giving a 10% discount, simply take 10% off the total price of the goods or services listed on the invoice. You can also apply a percentage discount on the overall invoice. If you want to apply a percentage discount to all items, go ahead and enter that in the item description as mentioned. Once that's done, make sure your invoice total updates accordingly. There's another option that's a bit more advanced. If you use Xero's inventory items and price lists, you can create a discount pricing option within your inventory. This way, you're not manually adjusting the numbers every time. Instead, you'll select the discount price from your list of inventory items. This works great if you're offering regular discounts or working with a set pricing structure for discounts. It's also important to check your tax settings when adding a discount. If you're applying a discount, be sure that your tax rates update accordingly. Some countries or states may require specific tax treatments on discounted prices, so Xero gives you the flexibility to manage that. Once you're happy with how everything looks, save the invoice. You can now send it to your client or keep it in your records for later. Now, if you want to use Xero for free and get exclusive bonuses, check the first link in the description below. It's a limited time offer that gives you access to all of these features with no upfront cost. Adding discounts to invoices in Xero is a simple process, but it gives you flexibility in managing your pricing. Whether it's a fixed amount or a percentage, Xero makes it easy to customize and track your discounts without complicating your invoicing. Before we wrap up, remember that the video mentioned an exclusive and extended free trial, which gives you a lot of perks to test out the software for yourself. So, don't miss out on this special offer.